Okay, this is everything I got for the 10 days. 9 or 10 days, I can never remember. And I will tell you how much all this cost. These are quartzsite prices. I went to Dollar General Market, which is a new store here in Quartzsite. And I went to Coyote Fresh and to Roadrunner to get everything. So it's like all of them don't have everything, so you kind of have to mix and match. But anyway, hot dogs, hot dog buns. Oh, we need are in here somewhere. I bought some kosher beef knockwurst. So that's going to be 2 meals. Some tortillas. Ole! Never had that brand before. Some tomatoes. There's a good nacho cheese. Yeah. Some ground beef. Lettuce. And Johnsonville already cooked sausage. So I just throw that in a pan real fast and heat that up. For snacks, I got a little small thing of snickerdoodles for me. And for Deborah, oatmeal raisin. These are good too. And I wanted to try the snickerdoodle. Some bananas, grapes. This is going to be for snacking and for the chicken salad. Some corn tortillas because I need one. And I got a request that Deborah wants some chalupas. So I'm going to cook chalupas. And I fry my tortillas. One of the breakfasts is going to be blueberry muffins. And one of the breakfasts will be some cinnamon rolls. I have eggs already. So I bought the sourdough English muffins to make sausage, this sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin. Don't go to that Mickey D's. Just make it yourself. And I needed some. Really? Yes, I'm filming. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you for reminding me to put you on camera. Yes, thank you so much. Very good. All right. What? What is it? Oh. Yeah. Silly girl, you just ate. You just ate. Yes, you did. Okay. Back to the action. She says I am the action. Chicken salad sandwich. So I got some bread. I got some chicken. She also requested in the air fryer chicken strips. Yeah, she did. So that, I just needed butter to cook some of this stuff with. I'm out of butter. And I just bought a small one because since I'm looking for very small containers for my refrigerator. So if I have a little bit of leftovers, I can use a little small container. So I went ahead and bought this kind of for the container. What? All right. Snacks for to go with the sandwiches. And popcorn. And that's a snack. And cranberry juice. So that's what is planned, meal plan for the next 10 days, 9 days, whatever. But now I got to put it all up. As I'm working on this current video that you're watching right now, I realized that I wanted to add the receipts and I forgot to do that. So in post-production, I needed to add receipts. So this is what I spent at Dollar General in Quartzsite, Arizona, as you can see. So the stuff that I mark out is stuff that I needed or wanted, but was not included in the meal plan that you've already seen for the week. So I spent $42.47. Well, the whole ticket, but everything that's in this video was $36.15. And nope, it's not one of those $30 a week challenge. This is 2 weeks, I guess, 10 days. And then I went to Roadrunner. I thought I might be able to get everything there, but their produce just didn't look good. So I went to, well, I'll tell you about that. So Roadrunner, on that same day, I spent for everything that I needed that's in that video, $42.32. Those Hebrew Nationals was only 4 dogs, and it was $7.69. So that was a big cost there, and the grapes were $6.19. So yeah, not really happy about that, but we're in Quartzsite. And I do like to support local. So when we're here, I do it, and when we're close to a Walmart, obviously I'm going to Walmart. So Coyote Fresh, I only spent $8.92. I want to say that was for cheese and tomatoes and those sourdough muffins. So for a total of, for 10 days, is $87.39. So I might also do another video of comparing these prices with Walmart prices. If I have enough time to work on that video, that might be an interesting comparison to see how much, if we went to Walmart, how much you could have saved. Anyway, all right, I'm going to get this video uploaded and posted.